Hello friends, last time I told you to we are see the next video of a process of communication. So this is our PDF file that we should going to explain you to better understand what is exact process of communication. So let's start our today's lecture. See, process of communication. In a communication process में in a communication process, the sender into the bracket encoder encodes the message and then using a medium channel send it to the receiver into the bracket decoder who decodes the message, and after processing the information the receiver sends back appropriate feedback oblique reply using a medium and channel. What is the meaning exactly of these lines? Now see into the here in a communication process the sender, okay, the sender is known as also what? Encoder. Did you get it? Sender is known as also what? Encoder. And encoder has to encodes the message. Encoder is doing encodes the message, which we can say that encoding the message. Clear? Yes, encoding the message and then using a medium and channel, and then after using channel which is a medium and channel send it to the receiver. To where? To the receiver. So receiver, right? Receiver, and receiver is also known as what? Decoder. And what is decoder has to do, or decoder has to doing the thing of that which is decodes the message. Decodes. So we can consider here decoding the message, right? The message. What is the decoding the message, or what is the decodes? We will see. Okay, and after processing the information the receiver sends back appropriate feedback or reply using a medium and channel. It means after that channel using medium by receiver to send reply which is we called feedback. Clear? So into the here, look, a sender is a encoder, and while the transmitting sender is message to the receiver, that time encoder doing his process, it's called encoding. For this summarizing the message or selecting the message language, that is the call encoding. Or what is the shape of language, what is the grammatical language, which channel which should be used to send a message, this process is called encoding. Okay, it means sender encoder has encoding the message by the help of channel. He send his message to the receiver, and receiver is what? Receiver is a decoder, and for the understanding of his message means sender's message. Decoder, it means receiver decoding the message for understanding his message, is encoding understanding for the decoding. It means in a so simple language, इनकोडिंग वो चीज होती है जहां पर सेंडर अपनी भाषा में या फिर अपने तरीके से अपनी स्टाइल से रिसीवर को मैसेज सेंड करता है, उसको बोलते हैं हम डिकोडिंग, सॉरी इनकोडिंग. क्लियर है? सेंडर जो सेंड करता है उसको बोलते हैं हम इनकोडिंग. मैसेज को ठीक से इनकोड करके वो सेंड करता है. और डिकोडर माने रिसीवर जो मैसेज रिसीव करता है, डिकोडिंग करता है. क्यों? खुद को समझने के लिए, उसकी अलग लैंग्वेज में समझने के लिए. जैसे हम अभी मैं आपको मैसेज डिलीवर कर रहा हूँ, इट मीन्स आई एम ए इनकोडर एंड दिस पार्ट इज माई व्हाट, दिस पार्ट इज माई इनकोडिंग प्रोसेस. and this is a webcast. So this is my channel. It means after sending my message in the front of you, जब आप वीडियो देख रहे हैं तब आप रिसीवर हो, यू आर द रिसीवर एंड यू आर द डिकोडर. अब मैं यहाँ पर जैसे जैसे समझा रहा हूँ वैसे वैसे आपके दिमाग में एक कल्पना, एक आइडिया सूझती जा रही है. सो ये क्या चीज है? दिस इज द पार्ट ऑफ डिकोडर्स पार्ट. इट मीन दिस इज अ डिकोडिंग प्रोसेस. क्लियर है? सो चैनल और मीडियम के जरिए रिप्लाई और फीडबैक कौन किसको सेंड करता है? डिकोडर इनकोडर को रिप्लाई या फीडबैक सेंड करता है. सो दिस इज द one line notes. Let's see next. Sends back appropriate feedback reply using a medium and channel. All communication is based upon symbols. Look guys, all communication, clear? All communication is based upon symbols. Is based upon symbols, right? This is my symbol, this is my symbol, that are my symbols. This is my symbol of arrow, which is a cursor of mouse. So this is my symbol. It means in a so simple language, all communication is based upon a symbols. It's so clear the line we have to hear. It is the process that involves organizing, selecting and transmitting symbols. So this is the process which is organizing. That should be what? This is my organizing and selecting path for the teaching or for the giving you the best of the knowledge about the process of communication in the front of you. Symbols in a appropriate manner to ensure that the receiver perceives in his her thought process. और ये आपको मैं अप्रोप्राइट तरीके से सेंड कर रहा हूँ कि आप अपनी थॉट प्रोसेस को इमेजिनेशन में बदले और आपको प्रोसेस ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन समझ पाए. इट मीन्स द प्रोसेस ऑफ योर which is a decoding process has to be the improved by you. So this is involves organizing, selecting and transmitting symbols. Let's see the next part. Process is her thought process, the intended meaning of the communicator. It means अब मैं communicator हूँ, I am the communicator, तो मैं communicate आपसे ठीक तरह से कर पाऊंगा जब मैं यहाँ पर ठीक से सिलेक्शन करूंगा, ऑर्गेनाइज करूंगा, मैनेज करूंगा. ठीक है? So that is the part of to the here. It is the important that effective communication always includes feedback or a decoder of decoder. It means we can consider to the here, we can consider to the here decoder is the sends his feedback, which is we called reply to where? Into the dash, to where? In a so simple language, decoder is a receiver and sender is a encoder. So that's we can consider here decoder is the send his feedback and reply to encoder always includes effectively. We can consider here always includes effectively, and it's when the timing of possibility is to be the here includes effectivity feedback is the point of that. If in the case of that I am the communicator, if my sent, it means I am send my message to you in the front of you as a better way. It means what I'm said as a better way. That's time that should be happen. You are the decoder, right? That time it should be the happen. You sends me your feedback, which should be a like my channel, my this lecture, subscribe and share it. So that is my feedback, and it is the important that effective communication always includes feedback of decoder. So ये मेरा अगर इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन है, प्रोसेस ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन में अगर आपको ठीक से अच्छी तरह से समझा पा रहा हूँ, तो दिस इज द कंसिडर टू बी द हियर, दिस इज द effective communication, and always the time happens to the here effective communication have a effective feedback. This chart shows the process of communication. Here is a one chart which should be later after discussing. According to Cole and Chen, let's see, इसको जरा ऊपर लेके जाते हैं. It's done. According to Cole and Chen, a typical process of communication includes the following 5 distinct stages. So here we can consider a Cole and Chen defines process of communication steps, right? Process of communications steps we can consider here. So Cole and Chen defines which are the steps of process of communication. So there should be 5 steps. What are the 5 steps of there? Number first is a formation of message. Number first, what? Formation of message. मुझे लगता है कि मुझे यहाँ पर लिखने की जरूरत नहीं, बट फिर भी तो फॉर्मेशन ऑफ मैसेज. नंबर सेकेंड, इनकोडिंग द मैसेज. नंबर थर्ड, ट्रांसफर द मैसेज थ्रू द मीडिया और ए चैनल. Number 4, decoding the message and interpretation. Number 5, feedback and evaluation. In a so simple language, formation of message. So what is that? This is my path and this is my formations, right? This is my formations. And what I am doing to the here, I am doing to the send my message in the front of you. For which process we can use to the here? It means I am formation of my message. I am formatting my message for the understandable point of views. And after that formation of the message, number second step is to the my. What is my second step? Encoding, right? So if I am written to the here encoding, right? इनकोडिंग, यहाँ पर मैं अगर इनकोडिंग लिख रहा हूँ तो दिस इज द माई पार्ट ऑफ इनकोडिंग पार्ट. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट व्हाट आई मीन दैट हियर encoding the message? So this is my message, right? And I am here doing the thing for the understandable point of the view, encoding. So that is my encoding point of the view. Clear? Number third point, or the number third step we can consider to the Cole and Chen for the process of communication is transfer the message to the media or channel. So after that encoding, I need to transfer my message in the front of you. And how should I transfer a message? By the help of media or a channel. And this is my media and this is my channel. Which should be I transfer my message, which is my channel. My channel is a YouTube. Okay, YouTube have a channel to my, right? So that is the considerable point to here. Transfer my message by the help of my channel or a media in the front of you. So you, who are you? You are my listeners, you are my students, you are my friends, right? And into the considerable point of the here, most important point which can be considered to, you are my decoders. Clear? So after transmitting my message or transfer my message through the channel or the media, you are the receiver and you are the decoder. And after decoder, where it goes? After decoder, after the decoder has a possibility to understand that message. He does his thing, which should be we called decoding. What is decoding? For the understandable point of the views to the viewer. So this is decoding the message and interpretation. So what is that thing? What is that thing? This is my interpretation, right? This is my interpretation we can consider to the here. But decoding, it's mean decoder's interpretation is what? To the understandable point of the views. So simple language में अगर मैं बताऊं कि आपको अगर ये मैसेज मैं डिलीवर कर रहा हूं तो आप यहाँ पर दिख रहे हैं, यहाँ पर देख रहे हैं, यहाँ पर मैं कुछ लिखता हूँ ऐसे करके तो आप यहाँ पर देख रहे हैं. So this is the part of what? This is the visual part which can be considered to the decoding of the process or interpretation of the data, and that is the considerable point to the here. It means you are the best of the decoder to understand my message. It means my receiver's message. And the last one point, if I send my message to the you as a best of, you can share this video, this lecture to another friends, or you can subscribe my channel, or you just as a like this video. So that is what, just like as a video, that is the point of a feedback and evaluation. चलिए, इतना तो समझ में आ गया आप लोगों को। आगे बढ़ते हैं, वन बाय वन इसको ठीक से देखेंगे। अभी कोल एंड चेन हैज डिफाइंड 5 स्टेप्स। यहाँ पर फिर से लिख देंगे हम, कोल एंड चेन स्टेप्स ऑफ communication. So here is the first step. What is the first step? Formation of message. नंबर फर्स्ट स्टेप के कुछ पॉइंट्स यहां पर हम निकालेंगे। फॉर्मेशन ऑफ मैसेज। ऑल कम्युनिकेशन स्टार्ट्स विथ एन आइडिया। व्हाट एन आइडिया सर जी? ऑल कम्युनिकेशन शुड बी ए स्टार्ट विथ एन आइडिया। मुझे आइडिया आया कि मुझे प्रोसेस ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन पढ़ाना चाहिए। इट मीन्स बिफोर द स्टेप्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन वी कैन कंसिडर टू जनरेट द आइडिया इन योर माइंड। सो व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट नीड for transmitting your message? The first need of transmitting your message is generating your idea. It means we can consider to be here, all communication starts with an idea or a message that is transmitted to the targeted audience or my customers. Targeted audience, right? Did you get it my point? What I mean to the here, which idea should be generated into your mind? It means you have to select your target, you have to select your audience, you have to select your customers, where you are going to deliver your idea in the front of that customer selected or audience. मुझे वही आइडिया जनरेट करना है, मेरे दिमाग में वही आइडिया जनरेट होगा जब मैंने मेरे कस्टमर्स या फिर मेरे ऑडियंस मैंने सिलेक्ट करके रखे हैं, तभी तो ये आइडिया उनको ही अच्छा लगेगा ना। अभी ये जो बिजनेस ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन लेक्चर में किसी भी बंदे को पढ़ाऊंगा, कोई भी बंदा दिखेगा तो लाइक नहीं करेंगे, डिसलाइक करेंगे। आर यू गेटेड माय पॉइंट? व्हाट आई एम सेड टू बी हियर, इट मींस आफ्टर जनरेटिंग द आइडिया और आफ्टर generating the message into your mind, or all communication starts with an idea or a message that is transmitted to the targeted audience or a customers with a motive to get a positive response. What I am consider here, number second point, we can consider what is targeted customers or audience, right? Audience. And number third point, which is the most important point to the here, which should be I want to mention, what is positive response. जो भी बंदा ये वीडियो पूरा देखेगा ना, उसका 101% पॉजिटिव रिस्पॉन्स प्रोसेस ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन के बीच में आना ही मांगता है, और आएगा ही, ये मेरा दावा है। जो भी बंदा ये वीडियो पूरा देखेगा वही। लेकिन ठीक है, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द मैसेज हम लोग देख रहे हैं। दिस इज द फर्स्ट डिस्टिंक्शन स्टेज ऑफ द कॉल एंड चेन, विच इज द स्टेप्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन एंड फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द मैसेज अंडर द हेडिंग। We see the first thing which should be generate your idea into your mind for the targeted customer, for the targeted audience. And number third point, which is the most important point to the here, while formulation of the message, the positive response. Why we have to generate your idea, or why we have to targeted customer, or why we have to audience selected the response which is just not only a response, it should be a positive response into the case. And if the positive response is to the receive, it means this is the effective communication done. Did you get it? Yeah. Let's see the next. And effective communication depends upon communication skills and knowledge level and attitude of the communicator. In a so simple language, the communicator, आप कितने भी बड़े communicator हो जाओ, आपका लोग तभी आपको सुनेंगे, आपका ऑडियंस तभी आपको सुनना चाहेगा जब आपके पास में औरों से हटकर कुछ स्किल है, औरों से हटकर कुछ knowledge है, that time it should be the happen. What should be the happen? Here is the one word which is effective communication, and the effective communication is depends upon. चलो मैं यहाँ पर बता दूं कि effective communication is depend upon my skills. Here is one word, my knowledge, and the most important word, my attitude. आपका एटीट्यूड भी वैसा ही होना चाहिए जैसा कि आप अपने ऑडियंस को कैच करने चाहिए. सो दैट इज द पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू हियर कंसीडर इनटू द फर्स्ट पॉइंट, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द मैसेज. नंबर सेकंड पॉइंट देखेंगे,